Hello, 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 and a very warm welcome to each one of you. And today we are diving into the chapter number 12 that talks about scientists use the subconscious mind from this amazing book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This book talks about multiple examples where scientists have used the power of their subconscious mind and, they have got the results they were seeking. The few things that I liked in this chapter was how Nikola Tesla also used it, and he would build it up in his imagination, whatever he was wanting to do, knowing that his subconscious mind would reconstruct it to reveal to his conscious mind all parts needed to for its manufacture in concrete form. Through quietly contemplating every possible improvement. He spent no time in correcting defects and was able to give the technicians the perfect product of his mind. Also, this book talks about Professor Aziz, who is a distinguished American naturalist who discovered the indefiable activities of his subconscious mind while he was slept. So he was looking for some, uh, he had got some things from the Jardin des plants जो fish के वो थे remains, all right, and zoological characters थे, and उसको उसने manifest किया because he didn't know what exactly the structure of those things would be. So he asked his subconscious mind to, reveal to him कि वो कैसे होंगे, and he got that as well. This writes about, accordingly, towards morning, a fish reappeared in his dream confusedly. So, what happened with him was he was trying to ask his subconscious mind, and the moment he used to get some hints, he was trying to put it on the pen and paper, but he was not able to do it. So this book also tells about कि अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए, it is not surely going to happen in one day. Overnight नहीं होने वाला. If you have some beliefs around how, you know, अगर आपके पास कुछ तो beliefs हैं around कि आपका जो भी आप try कर रहे हो ढूंढने का, या जिसका आपको reply चाहिए, तो solution चाहिए, वो easily मिल जाएगा. So if you have a belief कि it is a difficult situation, it is a not so easy sort of a thing that is that will be having a solution, so it will take a little more time. So third, fourth time, जब he was dreaming about it, it says that at last, with his distinctiveness, that he had no longer any doubts as to its geological characters. Still half dreaming in perfect darkness, he traced these characters on a sheet of paper at the bedside. In the morning, he was surprised to see in his nocturnal sketch features, which he thought it impossible the fossil itself should reveal. He hasted to the Jardin des Plantes and with his drawings as a guide, succeeded in chiseling away the surface of the stone under which portions of the fish proved to be hidden. Okay. When wholly exposed, it corresponded with his dream and his drawings, and he succeeded in classifying it with ease. That's what happened with this man, as Joe Professor Axis. Then there is another example of Dr. Frederick Banting, who was a brilliant Canadian physician and surgeon, जिन्होंने diabetes के लिए क्योर ढूंढा था. So, in the end, it says it does not follow that your subconscious mind that you will always get an answer overnight. The answer may not come for some time. Do not be discouraged. Keep on turning the problem over every night to the subconscious mind prior to sleep, as if you had never done it before. One of the reasons for the delay may be that you look upon it as a major problem. You may believe it will take a longer time to solve it. Your subconscious mind is timeless and spaceless. Go to sleep believing that you have the answer now. Do not postulate the answer in the future, having an abiding faith in the outcome. Bec- Become convinced now, as you read this book, that there is an answer and a perfect solution for you. उसके बाद इन्होंने he has also shared how a Russian this there was this man Dr. Lothar from Blank Smith, a member of Rocket Society, जिसको रशियन कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में रखा गया था पोल्स वगैरह के कुछ काम के लिए. And this man would die if he would stay there. But उसने भी अपनी पावर ऑफ सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को यूज किया टू achieve his escape from the that this thing. Hi Juhi, thank you for joining in. So he said,
Hello.
thank you, thank you. So this Dr. Lothar says that I started concentrating on my escape. I knew that my subconscious mind would somehow find a way. My home in Germany was destroyed. My family was wiped out. All my friends and former associates were either killed in the war or were in the concentration camp. फिर भी he said to his subconscious mind कि I want to go to Los Angeles and you will find a way. I had seen pictures of Los Angeles and I remembered some of the boulevards very well as some of the buildings. Every day and night, I would imagine I was walking down the Wilshire Boulevard with an American girl whom I met in Berlin prior to the war. She's now my wife. In my imagination, we would visit the stores, ride buses, eat in the restaurants. Every night, I made it a special point to drive my imaginary American automobile up and down the boulevards of Los Angeles. I made all this vivid and real. These pictures in my mind were as real as natural to me as one of the tree outside the prison camp. And every morning, और इसके साथ एक मैजिकल चीज ये हुई कि every morning when the chief guard would count the prisoners, जब उसका नंबर आता है कि 1 2 3 में 17 नंबर पे ही वॉज देयर, 17 नंबर पे वो खड़ा होता है, तो उसके 17 काउंट करने से पहले समवन वुड कॉल हिम. तो उसको फिर उसको जो ये प्रिजनर्स को काउंट कर रहा था बंदा, उसको चीफ गार्ड को फिर से काउंट करने पड़ते थे सारे प्रिजनर्स एंड समहाउ it was all there was never a mistake in the number while he was not counted in. So and it is amazing how when the crew returned in the evening, same number hota tha, and then there was something that happened that he walked out of the camp undetected and kept walking for 24 hours to reach some place. वहां पे उसको कोई person मिलता है with his wife and he goes to United States. And this man would take care of, he wanted to take care of him as a guest, and वो वहां पे जाता है and he arrives to Los Angeles and he found that he was, जब शॉफर उसको लेके जा रहा है था उस वहां से, तो in the roads he could see all the boulevards and all the buildings that he had actually seen in his dreams. That is how he did it. And he says, I will never cease to marvel at the wonders of the subconscious mind. Truly, it has ways we know not of. इसके आगे उन्होंने एक और एग्जांपल दी है ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट, हाउ आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट एंड पेलियोंटोलॉजिस्ट रिकंस्ट्रक्ट एंशियंट सीन्स. तो जहाँ पे जो मंदिरों को और इन सब चीजों को वो करते थे, तो फाइंड आउट करते थे, उनके बारे में भी उन्होंने कहा है कि देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन कम्युनिकेशन वाज नॉट डन वर्बली, इट वाज डन थ्रू द ग्रंट्स, ग्रोन्स एंड साइंस. वहां पर भी इट सेज दैट द पास्ट बिकम्स द लिविंग प्रेजेंट. जब आप उस चीज को अपने दिमाग में रात को सोते हुए उसके बारे में सोचते हो, तो जो भी रिमेन्स उनको मिल रहे थे, दे वर ट्राइंग टू so this man asked the subconscious mind to create the actual animal out of this. या फिर जो भी था, या तो मंदिर के जो रिमेन्स रह जाते थे, पिलर्स वगैरह रह जाते थे, तो ही यूज टू इमेजिन इन हिज ड्रीम्स कि ये शुरू में कैसे दिखते थे. तो इट वर्क्स इन द पास्ट एज वेल. He says, through disciplined, controlled, and directed imagination, you can be a companion of the most scientific and inspired thinkers of all times. Last but not the least, the most beautiful part of this chapter that I loved was how to receive guidance from your subconscious mind. So it says कि when you have what you term as a difficult decision to make, or when you fail to see the solution to your problem, begin at once to think constructively about it. If you are fearful and worried, you are not really thinking. True thinking is free from fear. And how to do this? Quiet the mind and still the body. Tell the body to relax. It has to obey you. It has no violation, initiative, or self conscious intelligence. Your body is an emotional disk which records your beliefs and impressions. Mobilize your attention. Focus your thoughts on the solution to the problem. Try to solve it with your conscious mind. Think how happy you would be after about the perfect solution. Sense the feeling you would have if the perfect answer were yours now. Let your mind play with this mood in a relaxed way. Then drop off to sleep. When you awaken and you do not have the answer, get busy about something else. Probably when you are preoccupied with something else, the answer will come into your mind like a toast pop out of the toaster. On receiving guidance from the subconscious mind, the simple way is the best. This is an illustration. So illustration भी दिखाया उसने. He has said that I once lost valuable ring in my heirloom, uh, which was an heirloom. I looked everywhere for it but could not locate it. At night, I talked to my subconscious mind in the same manner that I would talk to anyone else. I said to it prior to dropping off to sleep, you know all things, you know where the ring is, and you know now reveal to me where it is. In the morning, I awoke suddenly with the words ringing in my ear, ask Robert. I thought it was strange that I should ask Robert, a young boy about 9 years old of age. However, I followed the inner voice of intuition. Robert says, oh, yes, I picked it up in the yard while I was playing with the boys. I placed it on my desk in my room. I did not think of it worthy anything, so I did not say anything about it. The subconscious mind will always answer you if you trust it. Then last में क्या था? There is also example given of a man who had written a will. उनकी death के बाद the kids did not know if he had written a will, and उनकी daughter ने बताया कि नहीं, he had written a will, and this man asked his subconscious mind to guide him as to where is the will, and वो will उनको मिली थी. So the good part from this part was your thought as you go to sleep arouses the powerful latency which is within you. Let us suppose you were wondering whether to sell your home, buy a certain stock, sever a partnership, move to New York, or stay in Los Angeles. Dissolve the present contract or take a new one. Do this. Sit quietly in your armchair or at the desk in your office. Remember that there is a universal law of action and reaction. The action is your thought, and the reaction is the response from your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is reactive and reflexive. This is its nature. It remounts, rewards, and repays. It is the law of correspondence. It responds by corresponding. As you contemplate right actions, you will automatically experience a reaction or response in yourself, which represents the guidance or the answer to your subconscious mind. In seeking guidance, you simply think quietly about the right actions, which means that you are using the infinite intelligence resident in the subconscious mind to point where to begin to use you. From there on, your course of action is directed and controlled by the subjective wisdom within you, which is all wise and omnipotent. Your decision will be right. There will only be right actions because you are under a subjective compulsion to do the right thing. I use the word compulsion because the law of subconscious is compulsion. And the secret to guidance, he says, mentally devote yourself to the right answer until you find the response in you. The response is a feeling, an inner awareness, an overpowering hunch, whereby you know that you know. You have used the power to the point where it begins to use you. You cannot possibly fail or make one false step while operating under the subjective wisdom within you. You will find that all your ways are pleasantness and all the paths are peace. That is what was about this chapter. Juhi, have you read this chapter?
No, I have not read this chapter, but I heard it while you were reading.
Acha.
So, one thing I would like to share ki morning only I was thinking that why still I am not getting the clarity, but I got the answer.
Hmm. क्या मिला आंसर?
यही कि अपने माइंड को पहले रिलैक्स करा सकते हैं एंड देन वी कैन we get the answers automatically. So if we are thinking about something that we want to achieve, uh, and we are constantly worried about it, so uh, how to get the clarity. So yes,
एंड
if
सबसे प्यारी बात इस बुक में जो बोली है वो ये बोली है कि अगर आप वरी कर रहे हो तो आपको आंसर नहीं मिलेगा. You have to.
हाँ.
So it was beautiful. And yesterday, while Rajiv was here in this session, so we actually, tried imagining how would it be if you want to achieve whatever you're desiring. Would you like to do the exercise?
Okay.
Okay. So what is your immediate desire?
My immediate desire is to start coaching.
Hmm. And where do you want to see yourself in coaching in next 5 years?
Next 5 years, a very successful and renowned coach.
All right, let's do it. Close your eyes. Relax, okay, बैठ जाओ. Now, what you see in front of you is you. This Juhi is massively successful. She's doing something fabulous in her life. I want to see yourself. What exactly are you wearing right now? बताना है तो बता भी सकते हो.
It's a blue blazer,
Mhm.
which and means I see myself speaking confidently on stage.
Is it a dark blue blazer or a light blue blazer?
Um, light,
Wow. And how are you carrying your hair?
opened.
Okay. And so now that you are on the stage, I want you to थोड़ा सा rewind में जाओ. ठीक है? There is a big hall where you are about to give a speech. There are thousands of people waiting outside this hall to be in your presence. All right. And now your team is there who is going to, the crew is there and they're going to open the door. As they open the door, all the participants are going to rush towards, sitting in the front rows because they want to be near you. They want to see you. They want to feel your energy. And the door opens, and the people are rushing towards the stage. Of course, they cannot go on the stage. They grab the closest seats they can in front of the stage. And now the host of this, event is calling out your name. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hold some space and welcome Juhi on the stage. And as you are coming, hopping into the stage, all the crowd stands up and hoots for you and claps for you. And there is a vibrant energy in the room. They're loving you. They want to come close to you. They want to hear you speak. And then you settle the crowd and start to speak. You speak and you make the people feel all the emotions. You make them feel the best versions of themselves. They feel healed. They feel joy. They feel the joy of tears. They feel all that you are intending them to feel. And once you have finished the talk, they're wanting to come near you, to talk to you, to take autographs from you. Maybe they want to buy, and they want to have a book of yours with your autograph. Now that you are surrounded with so many people, Juhi, I want you to tell me, what do you hear?
I could still hear only the applause.
Wow, wonderful. What do you see around you?
Everyone waiting for me to speak.
How do you feel?
A much more confident person who can speak in front of public with so many women to inspire so many women.
Do you see yourself hugging the people, giving them autographs?
Yes.
Stay in this energy. Keep looking into people's eyes because these eyes are inspired by you. These eyes love you. What all emotions do you see in these eyes that you find around you?
Happy, healed, and empowered.
And the woman who just came near you, what did she tell you?
She thanked me and said, I love you.
Wow. And as and when you're ready, feel free to come back in this room.
Yes,
Do you feel empowered?
definitely.
And do you see the dream coming true?
Yes.
I would love for you to dream it every single day before you go to sleep. And trust me, by the morning, you will know what is the action you need to take to reach there, to make that dream come true. And that is all that
Yes.
we need to do. एंड जो फिर एक्शन वो बता रहा है हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, स्टार्ट टेकिंग दोज एक्शंस एंड यू विल सी दैट
Yes.
मिरेकल्स विल स्टार्ट हैपनिंग। वो 5 साल नहीं लगेंगे, वो 1 साल में हो जाएगा, मे बी 6 मंथ्स में हो जाए। ऑलराइट,
Yes.
व्हाट डू आई हियर फ्रॉम यू नाउ? आर यू गोइंग टू अचीव इट?
Yes. I will.
समझ नहीं आई, मजा नहीं आया।
Yes, I will achieve it. And yes, I will work for it.
आई विल मेक इट हैपन।
Yes, I will make it happen.
पक्का?
Pakka.
इतनी हल्के से ऐसे नहीं होने वाला, एनर्जी लानी पड़ेगी।
Hmm. Yes, I will make it happen.
Wonderful. I love that. And tell yourself every morning when you go to your bathroom, brush your teeth before doing that. I will make it happen. Juhi, you will make it happen. दोनों
Yes.
तरफ बोलना, I will make it happen, and then tell Juhi in the mirror, Juhi,
Mm-hmm.
you will make it happen. All right?
Yes.
Wonderful. Thank you, Juhi, for joining in. It was amazing to have you in this room. And next
Same here.
weekend, we will be hopping into the 13th chapter of this book, which talks about your subconscious and the wonders of sleep. I would love
Okay.
for you to read the chapter before you come into the room.
Pakka.
God bless you.
I'm really loving your sessions. एंड जो मैंने वीडियो बनाया है उसमें थोड़ा ब्रेक आ गया है, सिर्फ थोड़ा एडिट करके भेजती हूँ। कल ही बनाया था बट वो एडिट करने का टाइम नहीं मिला।
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much. It
you.
means a lot. And I feel great when you come in the room and you tell me that maza aa raha hai. It feels that yes, whatever I'm doing, it is actually impacting somebody's life. And that is
इट इज, और मुझे अच्छा लगता है। इट इज लाइक 1-to-1 सेशन विथ यू एवरी डे। मतलब योर एनर्जी इज वेरी कंटेजियस और मैग्नेटिक। मुझे अच्छा लगता है टू बी विथ यू, apart from reading.
Thank you.
Apart
Thank
from
you.
reading and everyday lessons, thank you so much for taking out your time. I mean, you had already started reading in, means even though I joined late, but I really, really appreciate you for that. I mean, you need that strength. मतलब मेरे वेबिनार में कोई नहीं आता है तो मैं आधी ऐसे ही हो जाती हूँ, मीन्स देन आई डोंट डिलीवर गुड।
Hmm.
मीन्स लास्ट टाइम आई हैड अ वेबिनार फॉर रिलेशनशिप,
Hmm.
तो कुछ 3 जनों ने ज्वाइन किया था एंड दैट वर ऑल्सो नोन।
Hmm.
तो in spite of doing it everything on Instagram, everything on WhatsApp, sending personal messages, no one joined. तो मतलब my that quality of delivering was not good. I could say that myself.
You know
तो
what you have to imagine? You have to imagine you are delivering on the वो क्या होता है, webinar mode.
hmm,
There are
hmm,
hundreds of people who are listening to you. And if you do not deliver at the highest energy, you
hmm,
are missing on 100 leads.
right.
Think of it and deliver. Next time, if you do not have anybody in your room, then to
Hmm.
deliver the, तब तो और ज्यादा वो आ जानी चाहिए, क्योंकि nobody is watching you. There is nobody to judge you. लो, आज मैं
Correct.
full out हूँ. And maybe next time आप वो वाला जब सेशन देखोगे ना, you will say यार इसमें कुछ ज्यादा ही एक्स्ट्रा एनर्जी थी. You might want
Hmm,
to replay that only.
right.
ठीक है? With that, thank you so much. I hope you got an answer to this people
Yes,
that coming to your room as well there.
yes.
But then now
Thank
we
you.
know the power of our subconscious mind. तो हम लोग रात को ये भी imagine करके सो सकते हैं कि कल मेरा webinar है. There are so many people coming in. I don't know where these people are coming from, but how? I am loving it. It
Yes.
or maybe it works. Maybe क्या? It will work. It is supposed to work.
Yes, it
There
is
is no doubt
supposed to work.
about it, right?
Yes,
Thank
definitely.
you, thank you, thank you so much for
Thank
being here
you.
on the Sunday afternoon. God bless you and bye bye.